Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, trolls, imposters, or haters. All right, I went to Walmart and I went to Home Depot, and I can cut the board that Fluffy broke next week, so I can fix the bookcase and put the stuff back on it and get this place a little bit more straightened out. And I filmed a combined of the Halloween and Christmas decorations. Walmart's were the Halloween decorations were very tacky. Home Depot's were nice. I did see two Christmas decorations I'd like to get at Walmart, and they were animated, sort of, and some stuff I could afford at Home Depot. Very nice stuff there, but some of it's ungodly expensive. So you'll see those later tonight after I've had some rest. Okay, fed Tiny One and left dry food out for Mama Kitten and fresh water. Very warm out there. It's 85 in here right now. No wind. All right, we have peach preserves and can of chili. Two bottles of peach water, actually three, but it's in another bag somewhere. Two pizzas. Three boxes of cat food for the outdoor kitties. And they want $6 for the unfiltered stuff, so I got apple cider vinegar in it in a plastic bottle, which is interesting. Never saw vinegar in a plastic bottle before. So that's it. Tomorrow I go to Food Max. I'll go get my medication at Safeway, and I will film the decorations in Big Lots. All right, this is George Senda. Have a great night. It's 5:32 in the evening here. Stay wet. I wonder when it actually becomes evening, when it stops being afternoon. I don't know. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay cool out there and stay safe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now.